In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Photos trash. If you've recently deleted a picture or video and want to check whether it's still recoverable, Google Photos makes that pretty simple. The trash, which may also be called the bin on some devices, is the place where deleted items are stored temporarily before they're removed permanently. In general, backed up photos and videos can stay there for up to 60 days, while items that were not backed up may stay for up to 30 days. So if you're trying to restore something, it's a good idea to look there as soon as possible. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're in the main app interface and give it a moment to fully load your library if needed. And this is important because some menu options can be easier to spot once the app is fully open and synced. Once you're inside Google Photos, tap the Collections icon. This is the section where Google Photos groups together different areas of your library, making it easier to find folders, albums, and utility sections like the trash. If you don't immediately notice it, just look along the bottom area of the app where the main navigation tabs appear. After that, stay inside the Collections section and look near the top of the app for trash. Depending on your version of Google Photos, it may be labeled trash or bin, but it serves the same purpose. This is the area where your recently deleted photos and videos are stored temporarily. If you're not seeing it right away, scan the top portion carefully, since placement can vary slightly depending on your device or app update. When you open trash, you'll see all the deleted items that are still being kept there. This gives you a chance to review what was removed and confirm whether the photo or video you're looking for is still available. From there, you can decide what you want to do next, such as checking the contents before the retention period expires. One helpful tip is to remember that once the storage period ends, those items are permanently deleted and usually can't be recovered through Google Photos. So if something is important, don't wait too long to check the trash. And that's how to find Google Photos trash. Once you know where it is, it becomes much easier to manage deleted photos and quickly locate anything you may need before it disappears for good.